Now let's study about capacitance and capacitor. Let's discuss about a situation when we are given with a normal metal body, and if on this conducting body some charge is given to it, we can simply state its potential rises to a specific value, say its potential becomes V. And if we talk about its capacitance, this can be written as Q by V, as the charge is applied to the metal body from infinite. So its reference can be taken as zero potential at infinity. Now in a different situation, if we place another metal body close to it, there is also a metal body, then obviously due to this positive charge, some negative charges are induced over it, minus Qi, and some positive charges are induced on the other side of it, plus Qi. Now here we can see that this negative Qi is closer to this body compared to this positive Qi. So this negative Qi will produce some negative potential on the metal body, say it is Vi minus. And this positive charge will also produce some positive potential Vi plus onto the metal body, and as this negative charge is closer, we can say in magnitude Vi minus will be more than Vi plus. So net potential developed on the metal body due to the another body which we have placed close to it will be in all negative, because this is in magnitude more than this, because this negative charge is closer. So here we can say the final potential of this system, if we talk, final capacitance of the system if we talk, then here we can state the final capacitance will be equal to the supplied charge onto this metal body divided by its potential with respect to the reference. Now its potential will be V plus Vi plus minus Vi minus. And here you can see this in magnitude Vi minus is more than Vi plus. So this denominator will be lesser than this V. So here we can say the value of C prime is more than C. Or we can say in this situation when two conductors are placed nearby and one has supplied some charge, the capacitance of this conductor in its surrounding will be more compared to the case when the other body was absent, because the nearby placed body is producing a negative potential onto the first body, due to which its potential further decreases. So here we can state, just to increase the capacitance, if we place some metal bodies in the surrounding of a body, its overall capacitance will increase. And here we can see if by some means we remove this plus Qi charge, this factor will also be vanished and the denominator will further decrease, and we can see the value of this capacitance will be much more than this value. So here we can write whenever a conductor is placed near to a charged conductor, then overall capacitance of the system increases. Such a pair of conductors in a system is called a capacitor. A capacitor is used in many cases for storage of charge. In various electronic devices also capacitors are used, because in practical cases to supply a charge we need another reference, and the charge is supplied with a reference conductor which is placed nearby to a metal body. So in general, for all practical cases we use capacitors for analysis of capacitance and using the characteristic properties of capacitance of a system rather than using an isolated conductor. So in coming sections we are going to discuss about capacitors and their applications in detail.